student, here we discuss geometrical isomers in complex with bidentate ligand. What is bidentate ligand? Bidentate ligands with two donor atom, okay, and form two coordinate bond with the central metal. Again I repeat, bidentate ligands having two donor atoms and form two coordinate bond with central metal. Example, oxalate ion, ethylene diamine, in short we are writing En, and glycinate ion, NH2 CH2 CO negative. SO4 2 negative is also bidentate ligand. SO4 2 negative, sulfate ion. Okay, sulfate ion is also bidentate ligand. Here I have given you 4 example of it. Now we will discuss one example. Here this is COEN twice, Cl twice. This is positively charged. Why? Because ethylene diamine, this is the structure of ethylene diamine. There are two NH2 CH2 CH2 NH2. So there are two donor atom. Nitrogen are this nitrogen and this nitrogen. Both nitrogen donate their LP to central atom cobalt. See, that is why I have written NN. One ethylene diamine and this is second ethylene diamine. So two bidentate ligand means 4 positions are occupied. Each this is one bidentate ligand. So it two coordinate bond is formed. This is second one bidentate ligand. So it will also form this two coordinate bond. So total 4 coordinate bond formed by the ethylene diamine. Bis ethylene diamine I will say, because 2 ethylene diamine is there, and 4 ligands we have discussed because nitrogen ligand, okay, but in a same molecule. Here this is monodentate ligand Cl. So and this is neutrally charged, negatively charged. So this is one negative, this is one negative. So and this is having 3 positive. Then only this positive charge will become, because there are 2 negative charges and 3 positive charges. To simplify it, it will be 1 positive charge over here. So this is the cis form, and when they are trans to each other, Cl are trans to each other, then we will call it transform. Okay, what we call it? Trans. So it is this is dichloro bis ethylene diamine cobalt 3. Okay, this IUPAC naming will discuss later on. Here this is also, this is transform. Clear to you that Cl are trans to each other. Now En here and N here. Okay, so these are 2 donor atom in the same molecule. I am writing here En, that is ethylene diamine. So bidentate ligands, 2 coordination site will be there. Ethylene diamine I told you, oxalate ion we discussed, and glycinate ion, nitrogen, and CO negative O negatively charged carrying O will donate electron pair, and this lone pair of nitrogen in the same molecule they